Hello everyone and welcome to the Maths Live channel. Today we will see the equations which are reducible into linear differential equation. So outcome of today's video is to understand the concept how to reduce some equations into linear differential equations. So in that two differential equations we are going to study. One is Euler's Cauchy differential equation and second one is Legendre's differential equations. Cauchy differential equations is also called as Euler's homogeneous differential equation if f of x is equal to 0. So let us start the Cauchy's differential equation. An equation of the type a0 x raised to n d raised to n y by dx raised to n, write down it properly, a0 x raised to n d raised to n y by dx raised to n plus a1 x raised to n minus 1 d raised to n minus 1 y by dx raised to n minus 1 plus an minus 1 x dy by dx plus an y is equal to f of x, where a0 a1 an are constants. Then such equation is called Cauchy's differential equation if f of x is not equal to 0. If f of x is equal to 0, then it is called Euler's homogeneous linear differential equation. Right? So x is multiple to that. That is the term x into dy by dx. So x is extra. If you remember my first lecture on linear differential equations, then you can see this such a type of expression there. There is no x and here x is present. Power of x is also present. Right? So we have to reduce this equation into linear differential equation. So how we are going to reduce it? By using substitution. So put x is equal to e raised to z. So our substitution is put x is equal to e raised to z. Right? Now x is equal to e raised to z. So I can find the derivative dy by dx and everything. So I will show you one or two terms and then we can write down derivative. So x equal to e raised to z means z is equal to log x, or you may call ln of x, no problem. So z is equal to log x. So what is dz by dx here? From this, dz by dx is 1 upon x, derivative of z with respect to x. Now let us find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, I can write dy by dz into dz by dx, our chain rule. Dy by dz into dz by dx. But what is the value of dz by dx? It is 1 upon x. So I get here 1 upon x into dy by dx. Correct? Now I transfer this x to LHS. So x into dy by dx. See, I want this term. X into dy by dx. Correct? Is equal to dy by dz. Dy by dz. Correct? Is equal to capital dy, where capital D is d by dz. See the change here. In our linear differential equation, value of capital D is d by dx. But now in Cauchy's differential equation, the value of capital D is d by dz. Means our answer appears in terms of z. Our answer appears in terms of z. And again, back substitute z is equal to log x. We are going to solve answer into. We are going to find answer in terms of x. Okay. Now what's happened for double derivative? You can try for double derivative also. d2y by dx square. That is d by dx of dy by dx. Right? So this is equal to d by dz of dy by dx into dz by dx. Right? So dz by dx is 1 upon x, and here d by dz of dy by dx. What is the value of dy by dx here? Value of dy by dx is 1 upon x dy by dz. So here I am writing this side. d2y by dx square is equal to d by dz of dy dz of dy by dx. dy by dx means here 1 upon x dy by dz. 1 upon x dy by dz into 1 upon x. Right? So last 1 upon x I can write as it is 1 upon x. Here dy dz of here 1 upon x, but here derivative with respect to z. Derivative is with respect to z. So I don't want this x. Instead of x we write e raised to z. Value of x is e raised to z. So 1 upon e raised to z, it is e raised to minus z. Have you understood it? X is e raised to z, so 1 upon x is 1 upon e raised to z means e raised to minus z. And here dy by dz as it is equal to 1 upon x u into v e raised to minus z as it is d2y by dz square. Derivative of dy by dz is d2y by dz square plus what is derivative of e raised to minus z? Minus e raised to minus z. Minus e raised to minus z and dy by dz as it is. Correct? Take e raised to minus z common. What is value of e raised to minus z? 1 upon x. So I get here 1 upon x square. E raised to minus z common. Value of e raised to minus z is 1 upon x. So 1 upon x square I get d2y by dz square minus dy by dz. Understood it? This term. Now transfer this x square to LHS. So I get here x square. I am writing this side. X square d2y by dx square is equal to d2y by dz square minus dy by dz. So this is nothing but d square y minus dy. That is d in bracket d minus 1 y. D in bracket d minus 1 y. See, this is the difference. In linear differential equation, d square y by dx square is directly d square y, capital D square y. But here the value is d into d minus 1 y. Similarly, will you tell me for cube? D cube x cube by into d cube y by dx cube. It is d minus 1 d minus 2 y. 1 less than. Right? So in general we can write. So in this way, if I substitute these values in this equation, Cauchy differential equation, this equation is get reduced into linear differential equations and we can easily solve. So our important step is to reduce Cauchy differential equation into linear differential equation is substitution x is equal to e raised to z. Z is equal to log x. Then what is value of x divided by dx? It is capital D1. Then x square d2y by dx square is d minus 1y. X cube d cube y by dx square is d minus 1 d minus 2y. Like that. Right? So this is our Cauchy differential equations. We will see the examples based on Cauchy differential equation. But let me define Legendre's differential equation also. Because if you understood the concept of Cauchy differential equation, there is slightly change in that concept of Legendre's differential equation. So here Legendre's differential equations, let me define. Legendre's differential equation. An equation of the type. What is the change? We will see. And you can observe the change. That's why I take in both the differential equations at a time so that you can understand the concept clearly. So here a0, the change is ax plus b. What is the change in Cauchy? X only. Here ax plus b. Some algebraic equation is there. Ax plus b, degree 1. Ax plus b raised to n. See n. X raised to n, instead of that ax plus b raised to n. So d raised to n y by dx raised to n plus a1 ax plus b raised to n minus 1 d raised to ny by dx raised to n minus 1 n minus 1 n minus 1 plus yes dot 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 an minus 1 x ax plus b dy by dx. Right? Let me finish it. Plus a n y is equal to f of s. So what will be the substitution here? To reduce this equation into linear differential equation, what will be the substitution? Which term is h higher? Ax plus b. So here put ax plus b is equal to e raised to z. Instead of x, it is ax plus b. So here ax plus z is equal to ln of ax plus b, log of ax plus b, and you can do the similar procedure. Slightly difference is there in the derivatives. If you take the derivative, here previously x is there, so its derivative is 1. But here, what is the derivative of ax plus b? It is a. So that a is x right here. See, I am writing directly the formulas. X dy by dx. In fact, it is not x. What I want? Ax plus b dy by dx. So ax plus b into dy by dx is equal to capital Ty. Right? This was previously. Now what is the change here? I need a. I need a because a is x right. So a dy. Right? Next one is ax plus b bracket square d2y by dx square. It is a square d minus 1 y. What is value of capital D? Value of capital D is d by dz. So again we get answer in terms of z, and we can back substitute these values. Right? So this Cauchy's and Lysender's differential equation. In engineering field, it has applications, so we have to understand it. When we solve higher order partial differential equations, these equations appear when we reduce that equations into linear differential equations. These equations are required, and we get the solution of this differential equation by using such a substitution. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will see example based